NPM presents the Fluid Bed Dryer Cum Processor, a robust GMP model built on a complete stainless steel structure with SS316 contact parts, designed for efficient drying and processing. The product container features an openable Dutch sieve, a specially designed conider distribution plate, online sampling port, 3-stage temperature sensors, and a clear view glass for operation monitoring. By simply adding a spraying system and HMI program, it transforms seamlessly into a full-fledged processor. Equipped with pneumatic application for lifting and shaking of finger bags and inlet and exhaust air dampers, the system ensures safe, dust-free and reliable operation. AHU and blower are part of FBD without ducting. The air handling unit comprises multi-stage filtration, multiple heating options and option for installing chilling coil. Controlled via manual or PLC HMI panel, the FBD offers different alarms, interlocks and optional monitoring of air velocity, humidity, particle flow and differential pressures. 21 CFR Part 11 compliance can be added if required. NPM provides different options for material charging as well as discharging. Available in commercial models from 30 to 600 kg and in R&D and pilot scale models from 2 to 20 kg. The NPM Fluid Bed Dryer is built for every scale of operation. NPM Fluid Bed Dryer, efficiency, flexibility and safety for modern pharma processing. NPM process equipments presently futuristic.